I want to talk to you about a way I look at things that's a little different than a lot of people look at things. Like, have you ever sat down with somebody and said, well, you've got to have this mutual fund. It's just amazing and it's doing the best. Or you've got to have this other mutual fund because it's got the lowest fees possible. Or, fixed indexed annuities are the only way to go and you're stupid if you do anything else. These are things I hear and it's all over the map. But here's what I'm going to say is I think wealth is a team sport. And I like to take that analogy to say, just imagine you have your gym bag. And in your gym bag, you're going to put the different kinds of sports equipment that you need for the game that you're playing. So if you're playing football, you're going to have probably some cleats and some shoulder pads and your jerseys and a football in there. But if you're playing soccer, you're going to have a soccer ball and some shin guards, and that's probably about it. But if you're playing baseball, you may take that gym bag and you're going to have your baseball and your glove and you're going to have your helmet and your cleats and you're going to have different kinds of equipment depending on what game you're playing. So I really think that this is the approach that you need to look at when it comes to finances is I can't start and tell you, well, you need this mutual fund or you need this insurance or this annuity or maybe you're going to buy a house and invest in real estate until I know you and how you're unique and what your needs are. And I think it's turned on its head because a lot of investing starts with here's the thing you got to buy. You got to buy this mutual fund. You got to buy this insurance policy. That's the last question. The first question is what problem are you trying to solve? And then once we figure out what problem you're trying to solve, and in this analogy, what game are you playing? If you're going to try to go play football, I'm not going to hand you a baseball glove. So I think it's really important to understand you need to understand what problem you're trying to solve. And then the very last thing you're going to look at is what are those solutions? Whether you're going to use a CD or a annuity or you're going to be in the market. There's all these different ways you can invest. The question is, what problem are you trying to solve? Call me 719-210-4242 to find out more.